All right, here we're back for another Tech Tuesday, and today we have our Pro Team Super Coach Pro 6. It's a little brother to the Pro 10. The 10 is just a little taller. Why would we use a backpack vacuum? Especially if you're concerned about budget or repairs, backpacks are the way to go. You can vacuum 3 times faster than the traditional uprights. Also, there's no belts or brushes to replace, so especially in food service applications where you get that full of gunk and grease, it's no good. Plus, even in regular applications, we end up with broken belts and brushes, and there's none of this. What does power this is a huge vac motor that's in here, so we have a lot of air movement in here, so a tremendous amount of airflow, and it makes our carpets clean really fast. Hepa filtration goes through the first filter, second filter, third filter, and out through these 2 Hepa filters, so the air is actually cleaner leaving the vacuum than going in. I'll put it on here and show you what it looks like. Now I have it on, and as you can see, the waistband has it on my hips. I have no weight on my shoulders. The shoulder straps are just to keep it from going back, so very good on your back. Here we would either have the wand or a dusting tool, or we could even have high dusters for pipes and ceiling fans and whatnot. So if you'd like us to come by your place and demonstrate this unit, just call us. We'd be happy to do that, or come on into the showroom. We'll be happy to show you here. Take care.